Hi everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. Real big treat here. First time out of the garage in many years. This is a 2002 Mercedes-Benz CLK AMG 55. Real special car. It's triple black convertible. They only made 1,420 of these. And I think 1,300 were sent to the United States. Hand-built AMG engine. Now, get ready for this. This came out of a collection. Car has only 1,859 miles on it. Let me repeat that. This car, one owner car in the gentleman's collection, has 1,859 miles. It's actually better than new, as in it's been maintained and cleaned through his collection. Very low number car through Mercedes-Benz. AMG wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes with huge calipers. Look at the size of those. Look at the whole size of the wheel. World-class car going on the Autobahn, I should say, where they do 100 and who knows, 30, 140, 150 miles an hour. I've never been there, so I don't know. But there isn't a spec on this vehicle. It has all the books, all sets of keys. Everything has been completely kept with the car. I drove the car from his house to here, I should say from his warehouse, and it drove amazing. His car was ordered, he ordered it specially. It's got those upgraded contour multi-seats, all those buttons, 3-way power, upgraded with a navigation system, which was an option. I'll show you. I got a window sticker here. See how it says Command Center? This car listed for $95,000, $85,000. It has the phone with voice activation for 2002. That's pretty cool. On-command system, which is your navigation. All your books and keys are with it. Oh yeah, look at that. Very cool. All leather interior. I'm sorry, 1,583 miles. That's great. Convertible top, power, just lift it up like that, and the buttons are here. And you just let it go through its processes. You hold in the button here, and then you just let it do its thing. Takes about, I'd say 30 seconds tops. It's got anti-roll. It's got all the airbags all over the car, built for safety. Anti-roll bar right here. Heated seats. All the wood grain is like a deep mahogany. It's really beautiful. I would go for a ride, but I don't want to put any more miles on it. This is a special car. Whoever buys it could put your own miles on it. This thing gets up and goes. A lot of fun to drive. You don't get tired, just keep wanting to go. It's located in our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, where we keep our 250 cars in stock. All our cars are on our website, MGM Classic Cars, where you'll find all the videos, photos, description, and pricing on all our cars. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. You could give me a call our main line at 847-848-1850. Leave a message. We'll get back to you. could ask for me. I'm Earl. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We do offer financing up to 180 months if you qualify with 10% down, and shipping nationwide. Bonded and insured to your front door, opened or enclosed. Please like us on Facebook, MGM Classic Cars. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Got a lot more cars coming up, but I wanted to personally do this one because you don't get many like that. That's a real special car. Someone better get this home to them before it goes in somebody else's garage. Have a great day, everybody, and thanks for checking out this beautiful 2002 Mercedes-Benz CLK AMG 55 with 1,585 miles on it. Have a great day, y'all.